Hello everyone, I Ankit Kumar, sitting before you all from CP15 RNTC 1522061, and my topic is 9 volt 1 ampere power supply. So first, here comes the content. First is introduction, second is the working of power supply, third is advantages, fourth is disadvantages, and fifth is application. Introduction. About power supply. 9 volt 1 ampere power supply is a high quality power supply manufactured specially for electronics. These are switch mode power supply. Features. Features are efficiency line regulation, output over voltage, transient response, input filter, nominal voltage. History of power supply. The power supply industries get back to early 1920s when crude devices were first developed to serve as B battery eliminator to power radios. Working of power supply. A power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. The main purpose of power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current and frequency to power through load. The power supply takes the AC from the wall outlet, convert it to unregulated DC and reduces the voltage using an input power transformer, typically stepping it down to the voltage required by the load. Advantages. The efficiency is high as compared to LPS, more than 80 to 90%. The device is used in SMPS is compact and small in size. The manufacturing cost is reduced, provide isolation between multiple output, low power wastage. Disadvantages. Greater circuit complexity, expert design is required. It can be used step down regulator, only one output voltage at a time. Expensive compared to LPS, high frequency electrical vibration, it produces electromagnetic interference. Applications of power supply. They are primarily used in personal computers, power stations, ovens, etc. They are used in batteries. They are used in manufacturing unit and project to provide adjustable power and voltages. They are also used in security system. The power supply is used to stable the electric current and help to balance the overload current. They have electromagnetic compatibility. Thank you.